Oh,
Shit,
madness.
no.
He said, Aman, come running to college. There is a 4-floor line.
One morning में she comes in and she was like, what the f? I was like, अमन ऐसा बोल रहा है, सब कैंसिल करो, अभी मैं क्या करूँगा?
पक्का एचओडी मीटिंग लग रहा है। सब हम लोग आ गए हैं तो हम चालू करें यहाँ को।
Okay, so now we began the year with a bang. We've had our workshops, we've had our OC meets, we've had everything done. Now the thing was being active in college and throwing every lucrative event that we could in the college campus. So that's when it struck our IPR team, Anjali Purohit, she's here, of doing something like Shout Rewind. Raj Purohit, sorry. Something like Shout Rewind, in which the team had thought of putting the college through past 5 years of what Shout was like, giving them a glimpse of the themes of the past 5 years, the decor, and I remember people being dressed up as mascots for each theme. So honestly, Shout is a very young festival, okay, and it's not very well known in terms of colleges. Even inside our college, it's not very well known. It got its recognition to a greater extent last year, and that was our main motive of letting the people know of our college what Shout exactly is. So we loved it. We had a lot of games out there. We had a lot of we had some dance performances. I think we had some stalls where people could grab food from. We had an open mic. So yeah, that's probably it. We'll talk about this thing, Children's Day.
Yeah, that was a nice event.
I remember putting a point across the team, HOD team, that we should do something. We should have like a social responsibility thing where we could give back to the society. So Akshita and I, we asked Aman if we could, work on something. It's like तुम दोनों करो, अगर कुछ होगा तो हम इसको आगे लेके जाएंगे. And we remember Akshita worked so hard to get a sponsorship for the cake and the food.
So what
Okay.
happened?
So we had this non-profit organization helping us, and they were contacted through Costume. And they originally told us that we will have the kids and we will get them to college. And when she entered the college, she's just like, okay, let's go to the street and get children. मैंने बोला, auntie, how are we supposed to get children off the street? She's like, yeah, let's go. We'll pick up children and we'll get them to college. So Akshita,
It sounds like such a criminal thing.
I know. Like, आ जाओ ना थोड़ा, please आ जाओ. It was, but then we had around 20 children coming. And then when we entered the college with all of these kids, none of the people knew what we were doing except except SDO. So there were other committees present and they just looked at us like we were carrying 20 children around and coming to college. They're like, ये क्या कर रहे हैं ये लोग?
मेरे को उस दिन ऐसा रियलाइज हुआ कि अपन एक्चुअली में एक अच्छा कम्युनिटी टाइप कुछ कर रहे हैं.
The kid was wearing a Shout t-shirt.
Yeah. I mean, I saw that picture.
Speaking of Shout,
Then we got into Children's Day.
which is our fest, very smooth transition. Someone needs to start with Shout.
We'll not talk about the problem first. We'll talk about Shout prep. By prep, I meant not on day prep, like for on day. I meant how did the process of planning?
शाउट होगा नहीं होगा
Don't talk about that yet. No, don't talk about that yet. We'll talk about this.
So I remember one thing. Me and Aman, मैं और अमन जो भी तेरे को अच्छा लगा edit कर देना. We were trying to convince Shabri. First, we didn't get the venue for CL meet.
War of DJs.
No, first we didn't get the venue for CL meet. So we were trying for a venue of War of DJs, but we didn't get any. Budget, obviously budget problem. We were trying to convince Shabri कि college में हो जाएगा. She was like नहीं होगा. Then जब setup हो गया next day morning, the shout day one morning में she comes in and she was like what the beep, and that was a moment where सब सारे के सारे HOD was shocked.
Yeah, I remember talking about cancelling all of DJs because I was like college में like मजा नहीं आएगा, college में मजा नहीं आएगा.
We ended up making a profit out of that event.
Profit क्या बोलते हैं? पागल है क्या?
Profit कर रहे
अच्छा आ गया, हमने डकार भी मार दिया, खत्म बात.
Like, so like since my FIJC, I've been telling Aman about LA के event के ideas, and he was like, "तू ये कर, तू वो कर," but it never turned out to be true. Like each year there was some or the other mishap, and the ideas never came out perfectly. So this year, when like we decided, like we started making events and everything, all my event ideas were totally ready, and Aman was like, "तू 2 साल का भड़ास एक time पे मत निकाल." Aman was like,
he had LA events for Shout 2020, Shout 19, Shout 2020, 21, 22, and 23 planned. Okay, so
But
I'll talk about my memory for Shout. Okay, so there is something that everybody, there are parts of Shout that everybody knows and only a few people know. So the thing is that the marketing team and me and Bhavesh, so everything was ready. All departments were set with their budgets. All departments set with the events and everything, and they only had to tell all of us कि अच्छा this is the amount that they require. And honestly, going by the kind of scale of events that we were having throughout the year, Bhavesh and I had expected a lot of pomp and romp and pomp for the money and the people and everything. And
that pressure was there on us since the start of the year itself. कि अब हमको shout बड़ा करना.
When we realized that not much of funds, even 1 month before the festival, it came to a point where Bhavesh and I would travel back in time and go to 2016, where we had to do Shout with just 60,000 rupees. That amount was given to us by college. So Bhavesh and I were basically planning on using the lights and speakers from the college. No additional setup, no decor. Stalls would be tables and chairs, and basically that. It was like a period of recession for Shout. So that's what we had thought of. And then Bhavesh requested me to start work off in the first week of November. So I was like, but bro, I'm not interacting with the team. I don't know anybody, and it'll be very tedious for me to take up all these things 1 month before the. I will handle the rest. You handle the marketing, and then somehow, apart from raising the budget that was needed, we crossed last year's budget, like Amisha 2018's budget, and it was a magical experience. So we had each and every person from SDU. It does not matter if they were the HOD or it does not matter whether they were the OC members. It may also be someone who had been rejected during the interviews, but then just wanted to come in and work for us. So that person, all of us were working together for marketing. And the proud moment for me was that not about me getting like handling the money part or whatever, but the proud moment for me was how each and every HOD cooperated through that time, downsized their events, downsized their requirements, and how they handled their own teams to get more and more money that they could, so that their original plans could be fulfilled. Like in desperate terms of money, I remember going for a particular meeting, which was either the 6th or the 7th of November, I remember, and originally it was supposed to be just a normal food stall meeting, But going there, I realized, sorry, that we can expand this deal a little more. So Bhavesh and I, we came up with some ideas, and we waited for 5 hours just to meet that one guy because that guy was late and everything. And after that meeting, he turned us down and said that I'm sorry, but I don't want to do anything money. That yeah, basically that night was very terrible for me and Bhavesh because this incident of us getting turned down was not known to the other team members, and Bhavesh and I were so embarrassed and guilted that the train journey from Churni Road, from where the meeting was to our home, we were basically turning towards the window, and but somehow from the very next day it was all blooms and flowers for all of us, and we got more deals, and shout happened. Shout just happened.
Because all our exams got over, now we met every day till shout.
Yeah. Remember, every day we met, even on Sundays.
Every day.
We had this fest before shout in college, and there was this one thing left where I thought that my hamper is just not complete. So Siddesh Mitti and I, we were looking at a stall which was there in that fest, and we approached them during that fest and asked them to be our last minute sponsors for our hampers. At last minute sponsor, Siddesh was typing up a deal that night, and next 2 days we had shout.
8 of us department heads sitting with Aman, and we like, mujhe ye chahiye, acha, dibs on that.
Yeah, we had like a
At
paper
that
and all.
time, we were having an auction. We had an auction.
We had an
You-
auction.
yeah,
We had a live auction.
You keep 10 of this, I'll keep 8 of this, and all that
Yeah.
distribution.
We can speak about like how we were so set on the theme this year. Like we didn't have an OC meet. Like I remember the year before, we had an OC meet to decide the theme and everything, but we didn't have a second thought about the theme this year.
So the thing is that I came across this post on Instagram. Obviously, I saw it through SDU's ID that time, and it had some decor related to snow and winter and all of that, and that caught my attention. And it said that, and I was keen on doing winter theme for Shout in 2018 itself. However, the team and the OC collectively had another opinion, and they said that they wanted to illusion. So they went ahead with that idea, and I said, 2019 was my last year in college. It's my TY, it's my show. I will do winter anyhow, and I sort of convinced you all of the idea even before you all could think of anything else. So yeah,
Strategic.
that plans and delays. Okay, so because we are we are
Socially
two
delayed
different
union.
Yeah.
ऐसा मत बोलो, podcast है, record हो रहा है, मत.
Your dialogue.
Everyone knows that it's literally delayed every time.
Okay, but honestly, that's not just us. It's everybody who does anything.
Yeah.
Nobody's perfect.
Every event ever has
There are delays
delay.
everywhere.
It's an unsaid rule.
So it's not just us. So it's chill. We will be happy of the lesser delay that we have.
But the
If
delay.
they have 5-hour delays, we have 3 hours delays. We'll be happier about that.
In every meeting, I could constantly hear Kashish say, "This time I'm going to plan hampers. This time I'm going to plan hampers. This time I'm going to plan hampers." And she had all the ideas in mind already, and she didn't let Neeti and I speak anything.
That's mean, okay? I let you keep stuff from that hamper. Jaini, don't delay. Please.
And I did not even get one brownie from that hamper.
We'll talk about plans and delays.
You remember the delay we had on the second day of shout?
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Massive
को
delay,
बताओ.
bro.
So Kashish, you spoke of the second day delay. So what was the original plan and what caused the delay?
I do remember it.
And
I just remember the celebrity.
Even
काम कर रहा था. Then चेकअप करने के लिए I go down to the basement and मैं देखता हूँ सब messed up है. सब मतलब कोई कुछ नहीं है, ना जज है ना कुछ है. फिर बाद में मैं देखता हूँ ऐसा बाजू में एक ऐसा ग्रुप है, डिस्कशन चल रहा है, उसके बीच में अमन खड़ा है, जोर से चिल्लाता है सब कैंसिल करो. और लाइक अमन ऐसा बोल रहा है सब कैंसिल करो. अब भी मैं क्या करूँ, मतलब ऊपर कुछ काम है, नीचे कुछ काम है. बाद में पीछे से फजल सर आते हैं एंड आई गो, गायब हो जाता है फिर मैं कंप्लीटली गायब हो जाता.
You remember the meeting when we had to plan the schedule?
Oh,
We had like
madness.
10
Oh
meetings
my
for that.
god.
We had
We
10
Madness.
meetings.
Aman and Bhavesh
just
literally
schedule
told us
again and
that you all
again and
have to
again.
do it.
And then Aman and Bhavesh changed the whole schedule, literally.
We did not take one meeting to plan the schedule. It was not a sole meeting.
Now, the thing is that because of our delays, obviously, the scheduling came in very, very close to shout. The process of scheduling, and because of that, each one being busy with their own work, I mean departments being busy with their own work, there could never be one meeting which had all HODs for them to give their inputs and to schedule everything which could, to give us a convenient schedule. I think I told Bhavesh to handle this particular part with all the HODs possible, and even that did not work out for obvious reasons. And I think in the end it was me and Bhavesh who just decided something out of our own boxes, and we put it across.
Yeah, we waited at
We
Burger King
went to
till like
different places
Yeah.
also.
Till
King
till
was
like
good.
8 o'clock, I think 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock.
obviously
Yeah,
acha,
yeah, yeah.
8 o'clock तक रुके थे.
And then
And
and then Shabri, Neeti, and I were doing the same thing in the train also while going home.
मैं भी
It
था.
was because it was so important.
ये
It
तू
was
नहीं था, हम जनरल में नहीं
the
करते थे.
prime
Oh,
importance
हाँ.
the prime importance of scheduling late for the CM team, for them to arrange the hosts and the judges and everything accordingly.
Yeah, the worst
And
part,
Yeah.
yeah.
exactly, and that was the most important part. But and I think that's the reason why Janvi, Kashish, and Meeti were at the forefront at the scheduling part along with the other departments, because the major department that they had to take under the scheduling part was PA.
My name is Jaini.
What did I say?
Janvi.
Oh, sorry. I'm so
Oh
sorry.
my.
We have short closing ceremony left. Let's talk about that quickly.
closing ceremony.
if we didn't cry in closing ceremony, I don't know who you are, but beautiful.
My co-main, Bhavesh Kataria.